So let's talk about Jasmy real quick. Now, if you're paying attention, Jasmy is trading at around 0.01228, and we are currently coiling on the 4-hour time frame. That is to say, a significant move is about to happen, which, if you're paying attention and if you're zooming into the chart, we have a potential area. I want to stick to the 4-hour time frame, you understand, because it's more significant than the 1-hour time frame. Now we have a potential point of interest area which is around 0.0126. You all have to pay attention to that zone. That zone is very significant because it's aligning with this previous support zone you get, and I believe exactly that previous support zone also acted as a resistance zone in June 20th, 2025. So that zone is very, very important for the price of Jasmy coin. So the moment we are tapping into that zone, the zone around 0.0126, we are likely to get a rejection from there. And we also have another point of interest slightly below the current price of Jasmy coin, which is around 0.0120. So you all have to pay attention to that price level. And yeah, I think even if we should get a rejection from this current price downward again to tap into this support around 0.011, I think it should be another buying opportunity for those that are yet to position properly. You see, anything around the zone of 0.010 and 0.011 is a massive entry opportunity. The trading volume of Jasmy is up 46% in the last 24 hours, which calls for a celebration as well. And we are currently moving sideways on the price of Jasmy coin. The market cap is currently at $608 million. We are still ranked among the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We are currently seated at number 96th position. So by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC, Jasmy is definitely going to get her own share. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the fear and greed index, the altcoin season index, which is very, very important indicator you guys should pay attention to. We are going to talk about the BTC dominance, obviously, on the monthly time frame and also on the 4-hour time frame. There's something I need to point you guys attention to. We are also going to talk about the orders chart and also the BTC price chart on the 1-hour time frame. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're yet to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. A clear sell setup for Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin is here to invalidate this sell setup. This is an obvious break of structure and then a massive downtrend to the downside you get. So we need to sweep this very, very important liquidity area, which is around 0.0145. We need to sweep that liquidity area, take it out, then briefly tap into this bearish order block on the 4-hour time frame. The moment we are tapping into this bearish order block, we are likely to get a rejection from there to the downside, maybe to around 0.0139 or 0.014 zone you get. But we are definitely going to get a reversal from there again to this bearish order block. Now, the invalidating of this bearish order block depends solely on the entire market sentiment and also the Jasmy coin market sentiment. So if you're watching this video, you guys need to try your best. The buyers need to try their best possible to invalidate this bearish order block in order to continue our journey to the upside. Otherwise, as long as we remain under this bearish order block, then I remain bearish for the short term on the price of Jasmy coin. But the moment we are taking out this bearish order block, flipping it into a support, that order block zone is going to be a very, very significant area. We need to take it out, flip it into a support, and then we can get a moonshot all the way to 0.0168. That is almost 0.017 you get. So yeah, the moment we are there, we are likely to consolidate around that zone for a while before getting another moonshot to this previous price area I gave you guys a few weeks ago, which is around 2 cents. That 2 cents is the most significant level I've seen on the price of Jasmy ever since I started charting Jasmy. We need to flip that 2 cent into a support, then move into the territory of a full-blown bull. Let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. We are still waiting for that massive retracement on the BTC dominance. We are currently on the monthly time frame. The BTC dominance is currently around 65.22%. We are left with 24 days and 16 hours until this current indecisive monthly candle closes. We are still waiting for that massive retracement, massive correction on the BTC dominance in order to welcome ourselves officially into altcoin season. Now, if you're paying attention to the altcoin season index, you will notice we are now around 29% for the altcoin season index. By the time, which is still in like indicated that we are in the BTC index, like the BTC season. Now, for we to enter into the altcoin season, we need to see this altcoin season index oscillator begin to make our way to the upside. 75% level for the altcoin season oscillator is a significant area you all should like keep your eye on. But you have to like use this altcoin season index and also the BTC dominance chart as a confluence in order to get a clearer picture of what to do when to execute your sell order or your buy order, or when to DCA into your favorite altcoins. Now, I think if the BTC dominance is not able to like get the rejection everyone has been waiting for this from this level, then we should begin to make our way gradually to around 71.44%, which I think your best bet will be to DCA into your favorite altcoins, because altcoins are going to bleed the moment the dominance try to make massive move to 71.44%. So DCA is the only strategy that is going to like keep you level-headed and not to like keep you sidelined. The last time the BTC dominance corrected -4%, that was a few months ago, we got a massive rally in the altcoin market. Some altcoins were pumping 40%, some 100, some 200% in a single 24 hours. Now, imagine what will happen when we start getting a massive retracement of -10% on the BTC dominance, -20, -30, -40, -47, -39%. Now, historically, the 39% zone is usually the bottom for the BTC dominance. But reverse was the case this time around in this market cycle. I think it's due to the institutional adoption, government involvement, the wider like adoption of cryptocurrency. That was what delayed our altcoin season as well. Historically, the month of May is usually when the BTC dominant bottoms. May 2018, same thing happened. May 2021, like virtually in every market cycle, that was what has happened. But reverse was the case in this current market cycle. But to be on the safer side, because we have a breaker here, to be on the safer side, I would advise you guys to start taking massive profit by the time the BTC dominance retraces to around 47% level. Take at least 70 to 80% profit off your altcoins holdings. And then hold the rest until we get a rejection to around the 40% level or 41% level to maximize your profit. Sooner or later, this retracement we are currently having on the BTC dominance, I'm expecting this retracement to continue and then maybe get a reversal bounce around 64.98% and then tap into this previous support zone as a resistance zone, get another sell-off all the way to 64.5%. So 64.5% is an area I'm watching for the short term for the BTC dominance to retrace to. And if that retracement is happening, then altcoins are going to like get a relief rally. Now, this is how it works. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to explode. And the moment you see the BTC dominance retrace aggressively and you see the BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are going to like have a relief rally. So that's just it. And if the BTC dominance is pumping to the upside and the BTC price is pumping, then altcoins are going to bleed hard, like seriously. Now, BTC on the 1 hour time frame, we have a clear and obvious, very crystal clear point of interest here between the price of $106,300 and $105,355. So that zone is a very significant zone on the price of BTC. But first, we need to like sweep this liquidity around $107,289. The moment we are successfully sweeping that liquidity, then easily expect to set your limit order either on the futures market or on the spot market around this level, $106,291 and also $105,355 respectively on the price of BTC. The Telegram group will be in the description of this video. I'm likely to like drop the signal of this BTC chart as well in the group, so feel free to join. This is the orders chart on the weekly time frame, and if you're paying attention, this orders chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And the last time we formed a pattern like this, we broke out of it and then got a massive send to the upside. The same pattern I've formed, we've broken out of it, flipped it into a support just like we did like several months ago. The next moonshot on the orders chart is likely to align with altcoin season, which is going to be more monstrous than the previous moonshot we got after flipping this trend line to a support. We got a massive rally previously, 5 weeks rally to the upside. Over $260 billion was added to the altcoin market, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Now, imagine what would then happen when we get another massive send from here and is aligning with the altcoin season index and also aligning with the BTC dominance retracement. Then it's going to definitely be very monstrous. Now, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is currently seated at 73%. Yesterday was great, 66%. Last week, 66% great. Last month was neutral, 52%. So, in a full-blown altcoin season, we can consistently sit on this grid zone and extreme grid zone for weeks and even months. As always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Peace out.